iOS 26 Beta 5 has been an amazing update. It has brought a lot of new features and changes, and we have talked here on the channel about a lot of those. We have over 40 new features and changes, and we have even more to talk about here. And we're also talking about the release of the new iOS 26 Beta 6. Now, before we get into all that, I just want to ask you guys for a really quick favor. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel, so if you're enjoying the videos and you found them helpful, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out a lot. And we're starting things off with the control center. When you head onto your control center and you use local capture, right here you will see we have two different changes. First of all, you will have here a button to enable or disable audio only right from here, and then of course start recording. You will see the new icon right there as well as here. So it's actually way different from the previous one, and it has changed completely. Another change can be found on the wallet app. So when you go to your wallet and you tap the three dots right there, you will see now we have a change here on the naming. It now says pre-authorized payments. And on the phone app and elsewhere also, like the reminders and in a few apps, Apple has made a change when it comes to the buttons that you get when you slide like this. So you can see right here it says delete, and right here doesn't actually say anything. I don't know why Apple is doing this, but first of all, they had these buttons only, the button here without the naming, then they had actually removed the naming. Now they have it on some buttons, on some not, and you will notice here just like even the delete button, in this case it says delete, but in some apps it doesn't say anything at all. It just shows the delete button. So we'll have to wait and see how they actually will move with this and what they will do, but it looks interesting how they actually keep just like changing this for like a different apps. You see like different results anytime you try to delete something, or maybe just add a reminder like this. And this right here is really cool. When you go to one of your contacts and you don't have like a picture for that contact, but you only have something like this, just a letter, basically the first letter, you will notice the reflection there, how it actually changes when you move the iPhone. I don't know if you can actually notice it here from the video, but it's really cool, similar to the one that you get on the control center. So it's actually pretty awesome. That really nice effect. There is also another smaller change for CarPlay. The home gate icon on CarPlay has actually been redesigned, so we get a totally new icon if you're using home, of course, with your CarPlay. And now let's move on and talk about the Beta 6. When can we expect it to be released? Well, if you have been following these betas and if you had them installed on your device, you know that we had to wait 2 weeks to get a new beta. But in my opinion, most likely from this beta, from Beta 5 to Beta 6, we will only have to wait 1 week. All the previous like cycles of betas, the last few years, all of them had this schedule. From Beta 5, we move on to a weekly schedule to Beta 6. So in my opinion, tomorrow will be the day that Apple releases the 6th beta for devs, and most likely then the Thursday will be the day that they will also release the 3rd public beta. And you expect Apple to do that now, of course, on weekly basis. So in my opinion, the schedule will go like this. So tomorrow the 12th we get Beta 6, and then we get Beta 7, and then Beta 8 right here on the 26th. Now if you look at the chart on how Apple has released the betas, from Beta 8, which will most likely be the last one, to the RC version, there will be 2 weeks. So that should be the last beta that gets released, and then the 9th or the 8th of September, which most likely one of them will also be the dates that Apple will hold the new iPhone event. That date we're getting the RC version of iOS 26 released, and then of course most likely the 15th of September will be the date where we get iOS 26 released to the public. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, smash that like button, and of course subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one.